People are definitely surprised at how unique the Florida insurance market is here. So I kind of laugh because you'll never know as much about insurance as you'll probably want to until you buy a house here in Florida. So all right, what's up guys? So little insight as to what's happening around the Mahoney household for the month of February. But I was listening to this podcast and it basically talks about how you need to kind of get rid of the stuff that no longer bring you value, get rid of the clutter and all that. So as you can imagine, with 6 of us in this house, we definitely have some of that. So the way this all works is that for the month of February, we are all gonna get rid of one thing. However, the way it works is on today, February 1st, we have to get rid of one thing.
And then on the second day, we have to get rid of 2 things. And the third day, we have to get rid of 3 things. And then all the way up to 25 and 28 days, we have to get rid of 28 things. Yeah, and it's good for me and Ainsley because we have a lot of things to do.
And what happens if you get rid of?
You get 100 bucks!
So I told the kids if they can make it through all 28 days that I'd give them $100.
And I'm gonna try to go to March.
Ultimately, at the end of the month, on the 28th day, there has to be 28 things they get rid of. So, what do you think?
No! Yes! No!
Okay. So on the first day, Adeline, you've got a doll there.
I've got a Disney backpack.
Ains, a
I
backpack.
got a new one. I got
Avery.
a headband.
Okay. Mom is getting rid of her old birthday balloons from December. Alana. Oh, Alana's got a lamp, and I have been working. Oh, let me grab it.
And I've been working on.
I've got this bag of pictures that I basically scanned in to my phone. So now I have digital copies of everything. So this big bag of pictures is gone. And the cool thing is that when I got rid of all these pictures, Christy needed a bin for the Girl Scout cookie booth, and that bin was now available. And it's been sitting up in my closet for many, many years, holding pictures that we can now scan into the phone. They won't deteriorate, they're in the cloud, we could save them forever. So, all right guys, day 1, we all got rid of one thing. Stay tuned, we'll keep you updated as February rolls on here. All right. Okay, what's up guys? So we're on day 2 of our little challenge here, and it's me and Adeline because the other girls are at Girl Scouts. But today, all of us got rid of 2 things that we no longer use, bring us joy, no longer bring us value, whatever the case may be. So I got rid of 2 pairs of jeans that we'll donate. I know Christy had a couple things that she got rid of and donated to the school already. Dude, what are you getting rid of?
That's my straw.
And then Adeline got rid of a book and a stuffed animal. So we will continue on to tomorrow, where we get rid of 3
things. And then after 3 things, then we get rid of 4.
That's right. All right.
That's how old I am.
That's how old you are for another few weeks. Okay, we'll see you guys soon. Okay, what's up guys? So me and Avery Drew are here today on day 3 of our challenge of getting rid of a bunch of stuff. Right, Ave?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so What are some of the things that...
Alana got rid of the Orbeez.
Okay. Ainsley or Adeline, I think, got rid of that.
Got rid of the purse. And then I got rid of this mini.
All right. And we got stuff piled up in here. So day 3, each one of us got rid of 3 things. Everybody is still in the running for the $100 at the end of the month. So tomorrow, everybody has to get rid of 4 things. So we'll see if everybody can hang in there. All right, see you tomorrow. Hey, what's up guys? So, a little update this week. We finished January, had a record month for our office, so we're super excited about that. Did about 54K in new business revenue and wrote a bunch of premium and some policies. So thank you again, everybody, for your support. We truly appreciate every single one of you. Now on to February. So we have the annual meeting coming up, which is always a lot of fun. We haven't been there in a couple years. So Blake and Jake are flying out on Wednesday. I'm going to see Tool play Orlando on Tuesday, Tampa on Wednesday, and then I'll fly out to Dallas on Thursday. So definitely looking forward to getting down there and seeing everybody. So big thing that I've been dealing with here in the Florida insurance market. I'm sure if you've ever bought in a house down here, you're pretty familiar with it. If not, it sounds like a foreign language, but 4 points in wind mitigation inspections. So basically anybody buying a house that's over 40 years old needs a 4-point inspection for just eligibility guidelines. No real credits to apply based on that inspection, but just takes a look at the roof, HVAC, heating, and electrical. And if there's any red flags on that 4-point, it usually means they need to be fixed before we can write a policy with anybody. Big change from Citizens, which is the state-run insurance company, but any homes older than 20 years old will need a 4-point with them. So a lot of companies are doing interior inspections now just to kind of do a double check the actual inspection that's done. And then you have the wind mitigation inspections, which that's where we can apply the credits to the insurance policies based on the roof shape, if it's up to code, the nail spacing, if it's got hurricane impact glass, those kind of things. So with everybody moving to Florida right now, I talk about that stuff all day, every day, and people are definitely surprised at how unique the Florida insurance market is here. So I kind of laugh because you'll never know as much about insurance as you'll probably want to until you buy a house here in Florida. So anyways, there's a lot of companies that are kind of shutting down, even in the Orlando area. So a lot of insurance reform that could benefit all of us consumers and insurance agents, insurance companies for that matter. So time will tell on that. But again, one of the biggest benefits to working with us is that we work with just about everybody who writes home insurance here and up and down the Southeast. So we will find an option for you, even when it's very limited. We just added a new carrier too, so that's exciting. It's nice to have someone new come into the market. We'll see where they're priced, what their appetite is. Maybe they like new builds, maybe they like old stuff. Time will tell on that, but always kind of nice to have another option to see for folks out there. So anyways, guys, if you have any questions, concerns, shoot me a message, subscribe to the channel. We appreciate it. Our audience is growing little by little. So thank you all so much. And if you haven't joined the texting platform, please do so. Text me 704-285-0992. See you soon. All right, what's up guys? So I forgot to almost give you guys an update on our Mahoney challenge. We're on day 4, so February 4th, and we've all gotten rid of 4 things. So what I have found to be interesting is that the kids are actually really into this, and they have all kinds of stuff in their room, especially the younger two. Sometimes there's so much stuff in their room you can't even walk on the floor. I'm not even joking. So they've all been really into it. Alana and Avery actually get their stuff ready the night before. So believe it or not, day 4, everybody's contributed 4 things. So definitely reminds me of kind of something I heard years ago when you go shopping for clothes or whatever it is, that if it's a maybe, you probably shouldn't buy it. So I have been getting rid of a handful of clothes based on maybe, or I'll save it for one day, and I think I've been telling myself that for a handful of years now. So anyways, it's going very well. Wanted to make sure I got you an update on day 4. Tomorrow's day 5, February 5th. So we all will get rid of 5 things. All right, stay tuned, guys. Okay, what's up, guys? So today I've got a really cool story to share with you. So you may have heard me mention his name before, but Mark Scarrow, who's been a really good friend of mine and an actually amazingly good loan officer. We've been working together for well over 6 years now. I met Mark before the Goosehead days. So anyways, Mark referred me a client today that was buying a fairly new construction home in Davidson, and we had a nice 45-minute conversation. Ended up writing the home insurance for these folks, sending that over to Mark, and then saved them about $12 a month on the auto insurance, which doesn't seem like a whole lot of money overall, but we also increased their liability limit from $30,60 to $250,500. So what does that mean? That basically means that if they were to rear end somebody and that person had injuries on the previous policy, the insurance company would pay up to $30,000 for those injuries, and the remaining amount they would go after the client. So rather than them having $30,000 to pay out, they now have $250,000 to pay out. So they were buying about a $500,000 home there. So definitely a nice way to protect your assets. Review your liability coverage on your auto insurance. I know everybody likes to talk about rental and emergency road service, but at the end of the day, your liability limits are what's most important. You don't want to fall short in that category. An $80 or $100 tow bill is not going to kill you. Thousands of dollars in medical bills will absolutely make a big dent in your financial world there. So the other cool thing, kind of going back to Mark, is that these folks, I typically ask how they're introduced to Mark or the realtor, wherever we get the business, and she was telling me that they were with another mortgage company that basically the loan should have closed by now, but they got within like 24 hours of closing, and lo and behold, there was a bunch of emails, paperwork, or whatever that was needed last minute, and totally threw them for a loop. Anyways, the loan didn't end up closing. Mark got it. He'll close it. So moral of the story here, guys, is not all mortgage brokers are created equal. Not all insurance agents are created equal. And I've found that in my little small circle of friends between me, the mortgage broker, and the realtor, that we're able to provide a very good client experience through the home buying process, because I have not had anybody come back and tell me that the loan was not closed because of something that Mark missed. Maybe, I'm sure it happens every now and again. We all make mistakes, but the vast majority of the time, we're all good at what we do. There's a reason that we produce at a high level. There's a reason that we all work together. We work hard for ourselves, our family, and also our clients. So guys, if you're looking to refinance, if you're looking to buy a home, buy a rental home, buy a second home. Mark is licensed in pretty much every state out there, I believe. I know he's got a pretty big territory behind him. So hit me up, be happy to introduce you. He's no nonsense like me. We'll shoot you straight. We'll tell you if you got a good deal or not. We'll tell you if we can save you a bunch of money and put you in a better spot. But who you work with matters. So remember that at the end of the day. All right, guys, shoot me a text, 704-285-0992. See ya. Okay, so we're on day 5, everybody. Ains, let's go see. What did you get rid of today? Let's go get it. Come on. All right, we're gonna see. Oh, let's see. Alana, show everybody what I got rid of. One of my items today. Oh, bringing it back, everybody. This is probably back when I was Alana's age, and I used to race hare scrambles and dirt bikes. Let's take a look. I did take a picture of it to preserve it and see that it happened, but hold on, Ains.
He got 7th
Look,
place.
hare scramble minis, 7th place. Back in 1993, everybody. And to prove that it was me,
Oh yeah, your name is on it.
my name is on this right here. So, all right.
Hey, I got rid of
Okay,
a
Ains.
cozy dozy, a pen, a toy brush, a mirror, and a ring.
Good job, Ains. All right, everybody. Day 5. Most of us have clocked in our items for the day, but a few of us still have some time as it's early. It's in the morning now, so they have all day. Oh wait, hold on. Alana wants to share what she got rid
I
of.
was ready last night.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Pair of jeans,
Good.
pair of sweatpants,
Awesome.
a finger thing I got from Halloween, a Girl Scout pillow, and a ring.
Ooh, all right. Oh yeah. So here's what we've also been doing, guys. The girls have been getting rid of some of their Girl Scout stuff that they have, and Christy is going to use them as raffles for her own Girl Scout troop. So, see?
What if
Now
we
we're
win,
putting
though?
stuff to
What if
use.
I win?
No, our family can't win them back.
Not even going in
So,
there.
all right. Day 5 of 5 things going out the door. We're going to separate them out and sell some of it in a consignment sale, donate some of it to Goodwill. Maybe I'll drop off some more stuff at the homeless shelter, and someone else will have some better use of it than us. So, all right, stay tuned.